Okay, so we need to solve the linear programming using Excel solver. So for example, a company that operates 10 hours a day manufactures 2 products on 3 sequential processes. The following table summarize the data of the problem. So we have per product 1, 10 minutes per process 1, 6 minutes for process 2, 8 minutes per process 3, and for unit profit, so we have $2. And for product 2, so we have 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes respectively. And for unit profit is $3. So our objective function the maximize z is equal to 2x plus 3y. For our subject group or constraints, so we have 10x plus 5y less than or equal to, so this is less than or equal to 600. So why 600? Based on our given, so we have 10 hours. And for our processes, so we have minutes per unit. So you need to multiply by 10 hours by 60 minutes. So this is equal to 600. So for our second constraint, for process 2, so we have 6x plus 20y less than or equal to 600. For third equation, so we have 8x plus 10y less than or equal to 600. Then so we have x and y greater than or equal to 0. So greater than or equal to 0. So in these equations, equation 1 and equation 3, so this is also called the positive constraint. And this one, x and y greater than or equal to 0. So this is also called non-negativity constraint. So in these sides, so for product 1, for product x, and we have product y. So our objectives, we have same. So values natin, so we have 2 and 3. And for our constraints, so we have 10, 6, and 8. So you need to input all the coefficient value of our variable. And so we have 5, 20, and 10. Then so our formula, so equal sum product of this array. So this is our changing variable. Then you need to multiply to this our our objective functions. Then make sure na yung formula natin is accurate for this given. So you need to insert the dollar sign in this array para hindi ma-move yung value ng ating changing variable. Then you need to enter. So you need to check this formula. Then, so we have less than or equal to 600. So less than or equal to 600. Sorry. Okay. Then make sure your Excel solver installed in your Microsoft Excel. Then you need to click solver. So I can delete it first. Okay. So our set objective on this one, then you need to click the max or the maximize. This is our objective functions. And then our changing variable, yung x and y. Then you need to for our cell references. So this is our left side. Then our symbol, since our objective functions is maximize, so less than or equal. Then for our constraint, yung right sides, you need to go. And then click OK. Then make sure that yung methods is simplex LP or simplex linear programming. Then you need to click solve. And OK. So if you can see that our value for X and Y, so it means 53 units for product X and 42 units for product Y. And for our maximum profit is equal to 148.235 or $0.24. So this is our final answer. So next time, we need to try to solve another problem using Excel solver pero may sensitivity analysis. Okay?